Hey guys, I had to hop on and let you guys know that Young Living has reduced the price of two of their premium starter kits, okay? It's the Thieves Premium Starter Kit and the Ningxia Red Starter Kit. The Thieves is their cleaning supplies, all right? This is probably the one that I may have started with had I known about it at first, because cleaning supplies are so easy to switch out, all right? So if you get this one, message me, let me know, and I will send you a glass spray bottle and a roller prepped for the immunity support blend that I use and a lot of the oily friends use, all right? And then with the Ningxia, that is a 2-month supply of Ningxia along with their Energy Boost Nitro. All right, you guys, this stuff is amazing. You need to get on it. All right, so let me know about the Thieves kit and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.